This is a right-hand drive LC200 series to LC300 series interior. This is the steering wheel for older to new. You can see this is the airbag. Here is the button. And after upgrading, we will change the start button here. So here is also a storage box. Now we can see the whole part for the whole kit. Now we can see the center console. Here is wireless charge. When connect the power, the light will become blue. It can offer the power to your phone. Wireless charging. And here is the gearbox. And this button is electric brake, electric button, like your new car. Here we have two cup holders. And also here on the top of the center console, we will also have some USB charge. And also here we can add the Pro button here for the three black parts. We can see the side panels, and here is the button and the Pro button here. This is the air tube for air condition, and the speaker cover. For older cars, it's hand brake, so we also upgrade the electric brake. We will install this electric machine to control the car. This is the side panels, center console panels. This is beige color. This is the center console cover with leather. This is the real center console box rear panel. We can see here, we can see some USB charge. This is USB, this is Type-C charge, and cigarette plug here. And this is the AC buttons to adjust the seat. You can see this is the air outlet. This is the door trims, door and dashboard trims with light. We can see this is the LED light wires. You see this is dark wood color. This is the 4 wires for all versions Land Cruiser 200 series. For this, you can see the car years from 2008 to 2021, and this is the B wires for 2008 to 2009, and this we can see also to the more new years. Here we can also see the decoder box here to match your older car. Are the air condition button. This is the entertainment screen. The whole size of the screen is 16.2 inch, so it's very big. And also we enlarge the air outlet. Here is the button for the front seat. This is heating. This is ventilation. Here we can see the button. It's very smooth.